Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. That's the channel you're watching right now. What I want to do is do another Big Lou product review. And what I got is this Mr. Barbecue metal meat shredders. Now last February I did a review on the big name in the plastic meat shredders, all right? Okay, and I got those for $3.50. My wife got mad at me because I blew my monthly budget because I'm not allowed to spend more than $2.50 a month if it's not on groceries, gas, or bills. Look y'all, look what I found. Look at that right there, can you see that? $2.40 for Mr. Barbecue meat shredder claws. Now, when I reviewed the plastic ones, I had a tiny little problem I didn't like about the plastic ones. And I mentioned metal ones might be better. So now I've got some metal ones for $2.40. Wife was pleased. Oh yeah. Hey, let's try it out. First I gotta have some pulled pork. I just so happen to have made some on my Weber kettle with the slow and sear today. So let's get this pulled pork pulled. Okay. Once again, $2.40. So let's get into these things. You have these stupid little tabs you got to cut so nobody steals them. Boy, that's fun. All right, there they are. And we got these little plastic things on there. I hope that's for shipping purposes and not storage, because I sure will lose them. Half a dozen of them on each one. Each one's got 6 tines. So pull them all off of here. All right. Now, let's get us some pulled pork. All right, now this is not a butt, it's a picnic shoulder, all right? I removed the skin before I cooked it. Got a little bit left over here. All right, let's see, look at that. Oh yeah, I like these, boy. I like these. I like the plastic ones too. If I have to say, these are too wide. All right, get off of there. Get that bone out of there. But I like these for grabbing, man. They just, look at that. Just pick it up, turn it over, all right? But they're long and they're wide. And there's some advantages of that over the plastic ones, and there's some disadvantages, I guess. All right, that bone's not coming out as easy as I thought it would, but it's not too bad. Look, there's the bone right there. Big old soup bone. Don't throw that bone away now. Do not throw the bone away. Make stock with it. There's a reason they call them soup bones. All right, I'm gonna get this all pulled up and tell you what I think about these meat claws in just a minute. Okay, I don't think these get quite as fine as the plastic ones. The plastic one, the tines are closer together and they're tapered. But I do like the fact that these are bigger and I've got bigger hands. And I like the fact they've got metal points. They worked. You can see they have shredded the pulled pork, but I just don't think it's quite as fine as the plastic ones. But for $2.40 is what I got them for. They're not a bad deal. I don't know what you would have to pay for them, but you can see that the plastic ones, I can get those pieces shredded a little quicker. So anyway, Mr. Barbecue Grilling Claws is what they're called. Barbecue Grilling Claws by Mr. Barbecue. And yeah, they work, but don't expect it to be as finely shredded as the plastic ones do. But the plastic ones had a problem with the tips. These metal ones will not.